In this video, I'll detail how to set a camera timer when taking a picture on iPhone XX Max. So if you have an iPhone XX Max and you want to take a standalone camera, setting up the timer, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can set the camera timer on iPhone XX Max to take a picture of your device. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set the timer to take a picture on your iPhone XS Max, what you just need to do is open the camera app on your iPhone XS Max. Once you open it, you either select photo or portrait, so you can only use the timer on portraits or on photo. If you want to set timer on videos, this is not going to possible at the moment. You see that? So there's no menu or option to set a photo timer, to set a video timer on your iPhone XS Max. Now, to set a timer on your iPhone XS Max, when taking a picture, just click on the photo icon, then click on this pointed arrow, like this, click on that, then you're going to see this menu reviewed, and you can also click on the photo icon like this and then swipe up to review the photo menu. Then go ahead and click on the first option before the last option, which is the timer button. Click on this. Then you're going to see two options available here. If your iPhone XS Max is running on iOS 17, then you're going to see 3x or 10x, that is 10 seconds or 3 seconds. Then click on 3 seconds or 10 seconds depending on your choice. After that, then go ahead and position yourself before the camera while your camera is held on a tripod stand, or you just hold your camera to your hand just like this. Then go ahead and click on the shutter button. So before the countdown is completed, make sure you position yourself properly. You see that? Then if you want to use the rear camera, just click on this button to flip it, and then click on the shutter button. You see the countdown. After the countdown, this is going to take the picture on your iPhone XS Max with the timer. That does it. So this is exactly how to set a timer when taking a picture on iPhone XS Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.